Hello guys, I look so raw right now. Oh my fucking god, I literally can't handle it. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to do the most glamorous hair ever in under 10 minutes. I'm literally getting ready for work right now. Please don't look at me too hard. Let's get started. So in order to complete this look, you're gonna need the outre Brazilian blowout half wig. This is what it looks like from the back. And this is it. What I've done so far is I have my leave out. It's literally just like this. This is how I parted it, just like whoop. And the back is braided up. I'm gonna maybe bobby pin the braids in the back and then literally just go over my leave out. I'm genuinely just getting ready for work, and the thing about outre half wigs, they're so cute, but they don't really last that long. That's why they're so cheap. They're like 40 bucks for like 40 to 60 for every style they have. So you're gonna get like the most glamorous hair ever for like a week tops. But that's like, it's reflected in the price. Hair is not cheap, especially good hair. So we work with what we have. I'm going to be using this Revlon spin brush and going over my hair with this, and then I'm going to straighten it, but I'm going to do the one pass straightening, and I did just spray in heat protectant, by the way. The thing about half wigs and why they're my favorite is because it's less of a commitment than like a lace front. I'm not a fan of lace front wigs. I'm really not. Like I don't like the lace front life. It's so much commitment, and then God forbid it's hot outside. Oh my God, like you feel the glue on your forehead. And then in certain lighting, like even if Arrogant Tay did your shit, like you're gonna know that you have something glued to your forehead unless you have bangs, And good for me, I fucking love bangs, but not everybody loves bangs, you know what I mean? So I don't know. I just love having leave out in everything I do. And I also want to say, like, this is not a weave, but this is a quick weave, okay? This is a fucking quick weave. This is a quick weave. Gluing shit to your forehead and, like, that whole thing, that's a full-on weave. You're just not, like, sewing it down. I don't know if any of this is making sense to people who aren't, like, in the hair community, but, like, when you're gluing tracks to your head and you have leave out, just because you're not sewing it in doesn't mean it's not a full-on weave. I don't know why people are so scared of the word weave. Like, it's a weave. Y'all want to call it anything but weave. It's a weave, bitch. Extensions that you're taping to your head, that's a fucking weave. Like, micro links and all this shit. It's just different variations of weave. People are so scared of the word weave that they rather glue lace to their forehead than get one, girl. Unless you're doing it for like heat protectant purposes, or like your hair color is like green, like your natural hair is like green, you know what I mean? And you want to have like a different hair color, or you want to have green hair and you don't want to dye your natural hair green, like shit like that. All right, but if you're doing like natural styles, kind of like the ones that I do, girl, I really don't understand, y'all. The thing about this hairstyle is, because I'm going on and on about weave, is that you have leave out. So you want to make sure that your hair semi-matches the hair that you're putting in. So edges are important. Make sure them edges fix the fuck out, bitch. Now, really, we're just on to styling now. So what I'm going to do is side part it here, I think. So now I'm going to go in with my straightener. Thank God it's on. I thought I didn't turn it on for a second. And I'm just going to straighten these pieces as best as I can. People often ask me how I maintain the health of my hair while doing leave out styles. You need to do masks. And like with my straightener, like I try not to go over anything more than 2 times, just because that's how you really like get the heat damage. If you're not putting too much heat on it, after a while, it'll be okay. But so then this is the part that I'll be covering the hair with. Okay, so basically have this done, and now we're gonna go in with this, I have some hair literally just to cover the back, and you're going to see what I mean in a second. So I'm taking this, flipping it over, taking this huge clip, clipping it onto my braids, fitting the rest of the cap around my hair. I'm also going to use the bottom clip so that no braids peek out throughout the day, because that is so embarrassing. And then taking this, flipping it back over. And I'm going to do my edges on this side so that everything looks cute. So basically, this is it already. And literally all I've done is just play around with the leave out to cover up the top. This is what it looks like. Nobody want to show you the top of their head ever. I'm going to be the one to do that for you. If it looks bad, don't check me because I can't see it yet. I have these cute little clip-on bangs from Amazon. I will try to find the link and put it in the description. If I don't, hound me for it. Be annoying. Let me know that I didn't do that because I did tell you I would. Anyway, I'm going to take these and I'm going to clip it underneath the side part so that there's some hair to cover. And then what you do is hairspray the shit out of this. I don't, unfortunately. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, now I'm going to get into some, like, something very personal right now with me. This is the finished hair. Literally, it's that quick, it's that easy, it's that simple. I have 3 minutes to do my makeup before work, so I'm going to tell you while I'm doing it. But I remember I was watching the Britney Spears documentary, the one that came out on Hulu, right as it came out. And I remember seeing Britney Spears' mom, and she, on a talk show or something, she had the most glamorous hair ever. She looked gorgeous. She looked absolutely gorgeous. And I was like, oh my God, bitch. Like, I was literally taking screenshots off of my phone from Hulu, off a third-party screenshot app, because you know Hulu, like, blocks some screenshots out immediately, so that I could, like, show a hairstylist her hair and be like, hey, like, I want this. This was her hair. This is like the drag version of her hair because this is like so much, but this was her hair. And it's just the most like amazing feeling when, at least for me, like low-key, honestly, like if I'm being honest with myself, like I'm like either a drag queen or a cosplayer. But like when I see like a look and it'll be like the most random reference, like Britney Spears' fucking mom, like in the Britney Spears documentary, you know what I mean? I'll have the most random reference and like fall in love with the energy that I get from that reference. And then once I complete that reference, like once the job is done, like there are very few better feelings in this world besides love that make me feel so good inside. Like genuinely, it's like a fucking rush. It's insane. It's amazing. It feels awesome. Like, oh my God. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to let you know, like, if there's anybody else that, like, might relate to that, like, this is one of those accomplishments of mine, and I'm very happy about it. I will, like, try to, like, do something about this. I don't even have hairspray, so I'm really just, like, raw dogging this hairstyle, but if there's not too much wind outside, I'll be okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go do my makeup and then come back for the final look. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. 10-minute hair, 10-minute get ready. Thank you so much for watching. This is it. I'm going to go to work now. I make music. I make music videos. I do live shows. I have one coming up on April 1st if you would like to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video again. Bye.